So all right guys, you can see we just cut these 2 walnuts here. We've been cutting, no kitty, I cut all those down. I cut these down. I'm going to leave that dumb cat. I'm going to leave that rubbing tree right there. I'm going to leave it. I'll probably cut that walnut where the cat is, right beside the cat too. So I've got to do these little ones though, guys, get them out of the way. I did do a lot of them with the farm awl. I mowed a lot of the smaller stuff down with the farm awl, but this little Echo saw, it's a cutter. It does nice for a small saw. Yep, sure does. So I'm going to come over, put this over here so I'm not in your way while I cut them. You can see what's going on. Watch her, she starts easy. Look at this. Alright guys, I just took out a bunch of them. So here we are. I don't know if we're over time again or what. Yeah, we are. Guys, most of these are going to be on video, not shorts. We got her done.